StackShare provisioning honest review watch before using. Most people get tech stack management wrong. They assume documenting software tools is tedious and unnecessary. The surprising truth about StackShare is that it simplifies provisioning, collaboration, and visibility for your development team, and you won't believe how much efficiency it can create. Here's how it works. StackShare lets companies document the software, APIs, and tools they use, compare alternatives, and share stacks internally or publicly. It also provides insights into what top tech companies use, helping teams make smarter decisions. For example, a startup could track which cloud provider, CI/CD pipeline, and monitoring tools their engineering team uses, making onboarding new developers faster and reducing miscommunication. Most people get this wrong. They assume documentation slows teams down, but StackShare streamlines tech decisions. Additional features include team collaboration, reviews of tools, and integration with GitHub. Users praise visibility, faster onboarding, and informed decision-making. However, there are considerations. Public stacks may expose company choices, and not all integrations are automatic. Most people assume internal knowledge sharing is enough, but a structured platform adds clarity and efficiency. In conclusion, StackShare is ideal for engineering teams, tech leaders, and startups looking to simplify software provisioning, improve collaboration, and make informed technology decisions. Subscribe for more honest reviews of developer and provisioning tools.